That's Mike from Custom Cruisers, beautiful bit of kit here. We've got a billet single-sided swinging arm. Okay, you don't get any better than this. If you want something cool, this is the boy. Okay, so you can see here, this is going to fit in your swing arm. Replace your swinging arm with this one, which is all CNC billet aluminium. Weighs a ton because it is solid, but very, very strong, much stronger than the original, obviously, which is tubular steel. Now, it comes complete with a pulley, your wheel spacers, etc. And this thing obviously is ready to rock. So, being a left side drive, your pulley's obviously going to mount on here, or in there, I should say. This is all back to front, so this should actually be spun round. So your pulley will go there, your wheel's obviously going on there, and that's literally all you do. The thing will put the wheel smack bang in the middle of your frame, the drive belt will drive this, and it really is as simple as that. If you're interested in this awesome bit of kit, give us a call, 01773835666, CustomCruisers.com, or the new site, custom-cruisers.myshopify.com, has got about 50,000 parts on it already. The navigation isn't really set up, especially if you've got a Japanese bike or Triumph. Some of the Harley stuff does work, but an Indian, but that's about it, I'm afraid. But in about another month maybe. I've been promising this since last year by people who are helping me do it, who buggered off. But if you want to see something which is really seriously made, I mean, it will be mirror polished as well. So when you get this, it will actually be mirror polished, not like this. The instructions very simple. As I say, bolt straight in, okay? And literally this will just go straight in and give you, your 240, your 250 kit, okay? And again, the instructions very simple. Rear wheel mounting, mount a disc rotor on the rotor. Shows the belt adjustment here, which is done with this eccentric, very clever. Can you see this is eccentric? So as you do this, it will tension your belt, almost like a cam, okay? And then ride height adjustment as well, so you can actually adjust your ride height too. Loosening the clamp bolts at the bottom of the shot, insert a rod, and turn the eccentric on that as well. So you can actually, can you see this is eccentric as well. But amazing bit of kit. If you're interested in this, give us a bell, 01773835666, or email sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.